guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. In this video I just wanted to show you guys how I made this super easy DIY wood framed art. For this project you will only need these 8 pieces of wood. You're gonna need, well, this is optional, I put these metal brackets at the corners of each piece of the frame to give it a more rustic look. I used Gorilla Wood Glue to glue the 4 pieces of wood together, and then I went back in with some small nails to secure it. I hot glued the art to the cardboard that it came with to keep it in place, and then I took these small nails and hammered it to the back of the wood. As you can see, these frames were so very easy to make, and they add a very nice rustic look to your home. I have so many great DIYs up my sleeve and can't wait to get those videos out for you guys. If you have any suggestions on what you might want to see me do next, just let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make that happen for you. Until next time guys, be sure to give this video a great big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!